Hey, what's up, everybody? So, I am at the shop on Saturday morning, and as you may notice, it is a new shop. Oh, yeah. Got my divider set up. I got a finishing room on the other side here. Right in here, I got my finishing room. So, I got everything separated now. I got a lot of stuff to get done this weekend. Holy crap. So, I'm out of deluxe Donatello staff, so I'm making a deluxe Donatello staff. I am almost out of the brown Monkey King cudgels, so I'm making 2 of those. Making 1 more of the gold. I keep selling out of Hanbo, so I'm going to make 2 pair of Hanbo sticks. I keep selling those wood daggers, so I'm making more wood daggers. I got an order for a custom Yawara out of maple, so I'll be making a custom Yawara for a client of mine. I'm completely out of the standard bokin, so I'm making 2 of the 40-inch standard bokin. And good God, these poplar steaks keep selling like crazy. So I am going to make 6 of them today. Also making a bone knife and another Buffy steak. Holy crap. So we'll see if I can get through all this. The good news is I'm inside now, so I don't have to fight against the sun or the rain or any other crap. So I can actually work all day. All right. But anyway, I got to get to it. As always, link to the shop is in my bio. Warrior arms and props. I am out.